Hi everyone, welcome to Data Point Masters. So today we will be learning the difference between where and having clause. So we will be always in a confused mode when we want to access where and having. So when we have to use a where clause and when we can use having clause. So this is one of the most common SQL interview question. Let's understand this. So where will be used to filter rows before group by, and having can be used to filter groups or group by columns or group by aggregate functions rows after group by. So let us see what is where clause now. So the where clause can be used to filter rows before grouping, where filters individual rows before grouping. Select, for example, select star from employees where salary is greater than 50,000. So here I am filtering the rows based on the condition salary greater than 50,000. So I will be getting the records after filtered based on the condition salary is greater than 50,000. Now let us see this with an example in MySQL workbench. So let us see take a new tab. So I have an employee table. Select star from demo.db.employees. So here I am having a new employee table here. So now I will filter the records. Select. So I'll be taking the columns MPID, name, and salary from, mention the table names demo.db.employees where salary is greater than 50,000. So I will be retrieving the records of employee ID, name, salary columns from the employee table whose salary is greater than 50,000. Let us execute this query. So I got the records, 3 records I got whose salary is greater than 50,000. So this is about the where clause. Now we will see the having clause. So the having clause can be used to filter the records based on the groups, and this can be done after group by. So for example, we have select department count star from employees group by department, and we are having the condition having count star greater than 2. So we are filtering based on the condition where our aggregate function count of star is greater than some value. So here whenever we are using having clause can be used after group by. So let us see this example in MySQL workbench. So here I am taking the columns, select department, comma, count of asterisk, and I am giving some alias name of this particular function from demo.db.employees group by. Group by give the column department which I want to group, having give the condition now count asterisk greater than 1. So if I see my table here, I have these columns where HR has 1 employee, IT has 2 employees, sales and finance have 1 employee each. So I have to get the department details whose count is greater than 1. So let us execute this query. So here IT department has 2 employees. So this way I am applying the condition on the aggregate function. So for this, first I need to have the group by first, then having clause. If I'm using where clause, where should be before group by and having should be after group by. So always remember, and this is an easy trick, where is before group by and having is after group by. Both are used for checking the conditions, but where will filter the rows and group by will filter the rows but based on the group condition. So here in this video you have learned about what is the difference between where and having clause. So for more and more videos on the SQL concepts, basics to advanced, follow Data Point Masters. So we will be covering the more SQL interview questions, quizzes and tips and tricks that you can follow while you are using SQL. So thank you everyone.